is crazy.
So basically what we got, man, we got the black and blue swim jigs, and we got some small, easy swimmers. Black and blue. Can't go wrong. Can never go wrong. Can never go wrong. Not with them colors. I don't like Okeechobee anyway. What? Oh.
I'm like this right here. how am I set the hook like that?
I just bought a half ounce though. I ain't have one. That's big.
Don't need them, huh?
Don't need it.
Nice one, 3-pounder. Maybe 4.
4? I like 4. chunk. I'll take him though. All right, y'all. We got, let me show you guys quick midday update real quick. We got 5. We got 5 for probably so I got a biggin, and I got 2 little. Let me just show y'all. Dan got a big one too. Dan got a big one too. I think Dan's on a little bigger than mine, but we're gonna weigh them and see. And then we got 3 small, 3 decent. Well, small, 2 small and 1 decent one. So midday, that's where we at. Dan, what you think?
Good day so far.
Good day so far?
Yeah.
We got a little ways to go though yet.
Keep it rolling.
We want about 20-something pounds a day, man, because we're due for it. So
on a day like this.
So
How it started off.
How it started off, anyway. But y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna go through this a little bit more. We're gonna talk to you guys a little bit about what we're doing today. Once we kind of put some stuff together, we think it's definitely gonna be a swim jig kind of bite.
Yes.
So we're gonna stick with that. I got a 3/8 ounce on. I'm also finna put a 1/2 ounce black and blue on as well, just to kind of give me a quick change of depth. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get that tied up, take a quick break, refocus, and we're gonna get back to it. MCA, y'all. So quick break. Subway, shout out Subway.
I'm like this right here. How am I set the hook like that?
What we came to do, baby. That's what we came to do. Got another one. That'll put us right where we want to be. Put us right where we want to be. Yeah. Yeah. What do you say? another one. That'll put us right where we want to be. Put us right where we want to be. Got some good fish in here today. I got this on camera. I got this fish, y'all.
You still hooked?
Yep.
Hand line in. I usually see that for snapper and porgy.
How about that? How about that? Only the line pop. That is amazing. How about it, y'all? Decent little fish right there, isn't it? Oh man, that was amazing. I thought I broke my pole though.
Trailer.
All right, so we're gonna scale. We're gonna scale the two big ones. We're gonna scale the two big ones. This is mine. I've never used this scale. Literally just took it out there. And I don't think this is large enough for this, but this was a little gift right here. We got 3.5. Pretty right there, y'all. 3.5. Let's get Dan big. You? I think yours is bigger too. I think Dan fishing.
Well, we do know one thing.
What? Dan, 308.
You got me.
308. Got him. That's Dan Big Fish. Yeah! Yeah. Show y'all a little bit about our day, man. We're gonna let some of these girls go. Gonna let some of these girls go. Come here. Come here. Come on. There she go. Swim on off. Good job. Pretty fish, bro. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Hey. You know you had a good day when them thumbs look like that. That's when you know you caught some fish. That's when you know somebody lying or they on some, like they around some fish. We probably caught 16 if we had to take 5. 16. Good day, man. Right? So
At least 16.
at least 16. At least 16. Could be a little bit more because we did have another one that was probably about 3-2. Still no 8, 9 yet, but we know that those fish are starting to come in. So either way, we're good. Shout out Vexan. Shout out Bruiser Baits. Yeah, definitely give those guys a big shout out. Y'all stay tuned, man. We got more cool stuff to come. I know we're not doing a whole lot of talking, a whole lot of breakdown. I will do a breakdown of the stuff that we were storing, but Dan just don't really talk that much. And I kind of like he really is. He really is. But we'll do a recap in the garage of what we threw today. And yeah, just stay tuned, man. We're getting ready for the rolling, so we're trying to understand what these fish is doing for the whole month of November. That way, come August, that first week of December, we're ready to roll. And that's what we're looking to do. Just like that. Money. All right, y'all. We have made it in. Dan's getting the truck. I'm gonna put this boat up, man. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys just for staying tuned. We were really active today. Got a late start, but we told ourselves we wasn't gonna rush. A lot of times when you go to rushing and stuff like that, man, you tend to screw stuff up when you don't take your time. So I really encourage guys to just be patient when you're out trying to do anything. And don't be excited for nothing. So I'm learning that, man, through trial and error, obviously. But I definitely want to try and encourage somebody else to understand, like, take your time. There's joy and grace in that. So yeah, definitely do that, man. Yeah, appreciate it. Y'all stay tuned.